Just a quick side note, before this video starts, this is a video about Pinterest and Instagram crafts. I didn't get these off of Pinterest and Instagram. In fact, they might have already been invented, but I like to call this my version. But if you don't like this stuff, then you can also watch some of the videos that I may be putting in a playlist after this video is put up. Now, if you do like this kind of stuff, then let's get on with the video already, shall we? Hi guys, so don't mind the noise in the background. Today we all know that Pinterest is famous for its DIYs, Instagram is famous for its trends. So today we're going to be doing a combination of the two and trying to make Pinterest worthy, Instagram worthy crafts and DIYs. Now let's get started. Don't we all know how cool slime is? We all love glitter, right? No? I'm the only one? Okay. So maybe not all of us love glitter because it could tend to get everywhere. But just in this case, we're going to be using a lot of it. Now let's get started, shall we? For this craft you'll need glue, contact lens solution, and baking soda. This will act as our activator, as well as a substitute for the original borax solution. It's also better for your skin. Also make sure that it says saline solution. And a bowl. This is all you need to make a regular normal slime. But let's kick it up a notch, eh? Make it look like it has gold leaf in it. And for that we'll need gold glitter and yellow dye. Now, on to the craft. But before we do that, I almost forgot to mention a stir stick. This is the one that I'm going to use. Just a pencil. Well, the end of it. But you can use anything that looks like a pencil. You can use probably a skewer. Definitely use a spoon if you have that on. You can use a hot glue stick. And you can even use a glow stick. You can use anything for the stir stick that looks like a stir stick. Uncap your glue and pour it into the bowl. As you can see, that I already did that. If the glue gets, just in case slime gets overactivated, keep a little bit of extra glue on hand. Or just use some lotion. After all that is poured in, time for the glitter. You can add in a lot, you can add in a little, but I decided to cover the whole entire slime. And don't worry, we'll have a satisfying slime review. This is definitely it. I mean, this is beautiful all on its own, but still, we need something slimy. This is just glue and glitter. So much pretty glitter. Take screenies right now. Screenie. Got it? Okay. Screenie. Got it? And last screenie. Okay, now that we're done with our screenies, let's get on to the rest of the mixing process. Keep stirring and adding more glitter until it looks like a big glittery mess and gluey mess. I just ruined the most satisfying thing in the world. I'm sorry, I'm a bad person. Or am I? I don't know. We're going to turn this super satisfying thing into an even more satisfying thing. Add in more glitter, get a screenie, and continue the mixing process. Like this video if you actually found this rather satisfying. If not, then you're a super good person that sees beauty in like literally everything. Doesn't look so satisfying now, but if you're that kind of person that I was talking about, make sure to give this video a like. And maybe while you're at it, subscribe. I don't know, I like subscribers. Even though my memes say otherwise. Do the same process for a minimum of 3 times. I accidentally ran out of glitter to do this. No, not enough glitter. I'll have to get more. Once you refill your glitter, or at least get a different glitter shaker, then you have to just repeat the process like a billion, trillion, gazillion times. And I'm not even lying. This is completely optional, but just in case your golden glitter slime isn't pretty enough, you can add in a little bit of yellow dye. And apparently I used all this up too. And I also dropped it into slime. What a mess. This actually kind of looks pretty. But now it's activating time. In order to activate your slime, you need some contact lens solution and some baking soda. They just came in to help me. Add in your baking soda. This is the contact lens solution. Add in your contact lens solution. My feet came in to help. Anyways, my feet are recording currently because I need both my hands for this step. Adding the baking soda. Adding in the baking soda. Big chunk of baking soda. Let's use that. After you added that in and make a mess of the table, then stir up. Once you see your slime start to clump, then it's ready. Hold the bowl. It's kind of hard to juggle the camera too. See, feet are used for one walking. They can be used to hold your bowl. Sorry about the feet on camera. They're just so useful. I actually use the feet to hold the camera. Once you see your slime clump together like this, then it's done. Pick up the extra scraps from your bowl. And ta-da! You just made a nice golden slime. It kind of has a weird, texture to it, and you can't see it very well on camera. Oh, there you go. It kind of has a weird texture to it. It's kind of pretty in real life. You can't really see all the glitters in the camera. And now I feel your pain, Justamira. And now, I might be subscribing back to Justamira. I'm sorry, I unsubscribed when she taught 3-year-olds to tab. But, yeah. Moving on to Hack DIY number 2. Moving on. Unicorns are very popular, but do you know what else is popular? Mermaids. And so that's going to be the start of our next hack, the mermaid drawing. And to make this hack, you'll need a piece of paper, which is kind of crucial for making a drawing, some tape. I have mine pre-cut and on the table. The table's just for show. Some mermaid colored eyeshadows, and a brush. Just kidding, we're actually using the one hidden inside of the eyeliner. Glitter is optional. You really want me to show you the glitter? Fine. Glitter is optional. And the secret to making our mermaid design? A fruit net. Now let's get on. Place your fruit net on the paper. This will act as our mermaid scaly design maker stencil. I've also seen these used for mermaid makeup tutorials. Tape your fruit net tight onto the paper. And now it's time for the mermaid part. The brush is optional if you use your hands. But first you're going to apply your mermaid design outline. After you're done making the outline, here is what you're going to do. Fill it in, of course. Take your mermaisin color of choice and just pat it down on there. We wanted to make it so that a fishnet is taking it. And since this process is very long, we'll skip it. But you can't skip it. You're going to have to do this process in order to get the DIY. But it's a very long one, so we'll give you grace and skip it on the video. After a while of patting, now it's time to blend. We're just going to blend the colors in. Simple as that. Seriously. Pat, pat, pat. But it does take a long time, so I'm going to skip this part again. But don't skip it in real life, just on the videos. And now, all there's left to do is to remove the fruit net. Wow, that turned out better than I expected. Moving on. Nature is truly something to honor, so this next craft hack is going to be a very nature-inspired thing. Flower vines. And to make this hack, you need some crafting glue, embellishment flowers or soap flowers, and fake grass, like Easter grass or soap grass. By the way, my flowers and my grass are both made out of soap. Hard to believe, right? Get your glue ready, and then when you're ready, squirt it on your grass. And there are a variety of different things to do, variety of different ways to do this, but I like to do it this way. And yes, I'm currently holding this with my feet. Again, it's a two-hand job, you know, filming. I need a tripod. Attach a flower to the current vine segment that you have. You heard me right. Segment. I basically just mean keep attaching vines and flowers until you have your whole entire vine. Nature inspired. Perfectly beautiful. If you have any extra grass, curl it and put it on the vine. So that it looks like it has like little tiny vinelets curling up. You can make the little vinelets look like those of a pumpkin. I was born in October. Of course I'd be talking about pumpkins. Ta-da! Once again, this is kind of prettier than I expected. Look at all those little flowers on there. So pretty. This might be my favorite hack. My least favorite hack was probably the slime one because it turned out a little bit less pretty than I expected. There you go, guys. 3 trend DIYs that you can definitely post online. We have the gold leaf slime, this amazing mermaid skill drawing, and our perfectly inspired, nature-inspired flower vine decoration. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and comment down below which DIY you liked best. I'll also have a poll up here as well as another video that you can check out right after this video gets posted. I hope you enjoyed this DIY video. And have a magnificent day, play pressers. Another side note is my play pressers are my fans, so that's my new fan name, and I hope you enjoy. Have a great day.